A while ago, we had Apple's annual WWDC event where they showed off their latest updates for all their devices, like iOS, the severely held back iPadOS, and many others. This being a VR channel, I was particularly interested in the Vision Pro and the features that they were planning on releasing for the headset. And honestly, it was alright. I mean, the features were cool and all, but I was left with the feeling of wanting more. If you haven't noticed though, most Apple keynotes usually omit some awesome features and updates for seemingly no reason. The developer beta for VisionOS 2 is already out, so let's explore, see the new features, and find out what exactly they omitted from the presentation. Jumping into it, the first thing I immediately noticed were the new gestures for moving around the Vision Pro UI. The annoying dot that always showed up when I wasn't trying to look at it is now replaced with a dot floating on your hand. Flipping your hand over lets you see the time, battery, and even lets you quickly control the volume. It may seem like a small feature, but I personally love it, and it makes the older systems seem more archaic. Next up is being able to customize your home view, which might sound stupid to even be considered a feature, and you're right. I enjoy being able to take my iPad apps and put them on the front page, like my Discord app or DaVinci Resolve for video editing. Again, sounds stupid, but nonetheless welcome. And a feature I've been waiting for since I got the headset, keyboard pass-through. Now, I can finally type the script without having to make a million spelling mistakes every second. I've complained about a particular Vision Pro issue in 2 videos already, and now I won't have to anymore since hand tracking on the Vision Pro has been updated from the slower 30Hz to 90. And possibly my favorite feature is the ability to watch any Safari videos on a huge theater-like screen. Before this, it was only available on Apple TV, and I thought this was to deter piracy, but thankfully this isn't the case. After using it for a bit, I think it's a game changer for watching content on here. There are a ton of other new features brought to the headset, like object tracking like you can see in this cool video, and live captions for captioning any app. However, that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more horrible typing videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.